Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove text from your video using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then select new project. And since we want to edit video, we can choose video based and then select save. And then you're going to select a video you want to remove text from. For example, I'm going to remove a video, remove text from, wait, I'm still looking for the album. Okay, from this album. All right, this is the video I'm going to remove a text from. Okay, this is the text guys. I'm going to remove the text from my video. If you want to remove something from our video, we need to duplicate our video first. We can click on our video and then select duplicate, and then we're going to make it as an overlay. So we can click on the we can click on PIP track to make it as an overlay. Okay, I'm just going to move this video right here. I'm going to make it align with my first video, and then I'm going to click on the fit to fit the screen. All right, and now it's time to remove the text from our video. We're going to use mask. You can click on the second video until it's active, and then go to the mask and then select the shape of the mask, and I'm just going to choose rectangle. Okay, and then we're going to take another part of this video to cover the unwanted text. Okay, I'm going to select this part because I think this part will be suitable to cover it, and click on the check mark, and then you're going to drag the mask to cover the text, okay, like this. And then to make it more natural, I recommend you to go to the adjustment. You can select filter and then select adjust, and then I'm going to adjust the brightness just a little bit. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks, and then you can click on the check mark, and then I'm going to show you the final result. Okay, as you can see that the text has been removed from my video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove text from a video using a VN Video Editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!